Here's my update on this kitten. Little, what's your name? You're Milo. Yeah, Milo. Milo went to the vet. As you can see, last video, Milo was just real sluggish, not doing well, had not eaten in a long time before we found him, and so he was emaciated. You could feel his ribs, even though he's a very fluffy cat. You could feel his ribs. I could stick my finger around his waist like this, and just a few days later, I guarantee you, I could not get my fingers around his waist. This little guy is eating a lot. It is a boy, and so Milo is an appropriate name. The vet didn't seem too worried about him. We didn't give him any antibiotics. He does have like a respiratory infection, but it's a virus. Antibiotics don't work on viruses. So, anyways, and Milo has discovered that I have a beard, and he likes it. Come here, Milo. First thing he does, rub on the beard. Likes beard rubs. See? See? There's his little sneeze. Come on, Milo. Whoop. My bad. Sorry. There we go. That's Milo. Ooh, he just sneezed on my neck. That was gross. Thank you, cat. Oh, more beard rubs. Oh, yes. Oh. Okay. Cute little guy. Quite interesting. Hopefully we can find somebody who wants to adopt him. Very, very friendly cat. He's very playful. And if you want to adopt a cat and you have a beard, he will love you. He loves my beard. All right. Peace.